Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. I am dedicating this particular video to my dad because a couple of days ago I lost him and that was on 29th March, and today when I am recording this video it is 31st March, and my dad likes anything that is colorful, so I've decided to make this 10-inch MDF board Dot Mandala as colorful as possible. Let's get started with dotting. I'll start with dotting in the center in red. Now I'll dot with lemon yellow. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now I'll dot with marine blue. I'll keep some tiny dots now. Now I'll keep some parrot green dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes in magenta. Now I'll keep two more side swipes in blue. Now I'll keep some lemon yellow dots. I'm going to keep some straight swipes in green. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep some straight swipes in light blue. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep some marine blue dots now. I'll walk the dots in marine blue. Now I'll keep lemon yellow dots. I'll walk the dots in yellow. Now I'll keep magenta dots. I'll walk the dots in magenta. Now I'll keep light blue dots. Now I'll keep some parrot green dots. I'll walk the dots in parrot green. I'll walk the dots in light blue. Now I'll keep straight swipes in lemon yellow. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll keep two side swipes in red. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.